guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nazareth. Long time no see, you guys. Happy New Year. I wanted to come back to the channel with something that we all know and are familiar with, and it's, you know, I talk about curly hair a lot, so might as well come back, you know, in full with a curly hair video. So as you guys can see by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I apply my Curly Heaven curly extensions. If you are not new to my channel, you know I've made a video showing you guys how I clipped in these extensions like 4 years ago. I just went back to that video and I'm like, how does this have this many views? Like, there was no intro. I just jumped right in. There was nothing. Like, literally, it was bad. I'm still with the same company because they are just amazing. The packaging is different. Just the overall quality, the overall presentation, just everything's different. So I wanted to show you guys again how I apply these extensions. But before I get into that, I wanted to give a very big shout out to Sierra. She is the person that made this lovely necklace for me. It says Cherry. If you're an OG fan or an OG subscriber, or you follow me on Instagram, you know that my nickname online or on the internet is Cherry. So big shout out to her. Make sure you guys check out her Instagram. I'll leave it right here and down below as well. She makes amazing little jewelries and she's a small business, so show your support and show your love. I'm going to show you guys a few other pieces that she did send me. Is this necklace with a dragon. Then she sent as well another necklace. It's a heart with an N for Nazareth, which is my name. And then she sent me this lovely bracelet. And lastly, is lastly a word? Anyways, she sent this necklace with a snake, which is really trendy. I have earrings like this, so I can't wait to pair the two together and, you know, make it a little duo moment. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys like the different type of clips that they have. So they have one with 4 clips, as you guys can see here. They have one with 2 clips, as you guys can see, and they have one with 1 clip, and let me see if they have another one, and they have one with 3 clips. So those are the different type of extensions that they have. It just depends on where you're gonna place them in your head. I like to place mine like right in the middle, like here, just because it creates a fuller look. On the top of my head, I would place the one with the 1 clip. I'm going to place the one with 3 clips on either side of my hair. And this is not for like length. I mean, you could wear them for that, but it's more for me, at least, to fill out my hair, because my hair sometimes just lays flat and sometimes I want more volume if it's for pictures or if I want to go out. So, and a homage. A homage? Is that homage? A homage to my old video. And we clip, and we snap, and we clip. So I just eyeball it and I part my hair very gently because I don't want to disturb my curls either. So I just kind of lay it down to the side, and then I kind of just comb out, kind of to get it out of the clumps because it's pretty clumpy. And then I just kind of clip. Make sure you don't clip it from the front because people are going to be able to see that. We don't want people clocking you. And then we clip it, and we clip. And then we fluff it and blend it into your hair. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, this side has the extension, only one of them, and then this side doesn't. It added a little bit of length, it added a little bit of volume, in my opinion. You just have to play around with it just to blend your natural hair with the extension, and you'll be good. So up here, I'm going to add one a little bit like to the center of my hair, front. Around here. Again, I just eyeball it, just put it in random little locations. This is the one with one clip. Just add it and judge my hair up a little bit. This is one side with one extension with 3 clips and then one extension with 1 clip. And look at the difference. Look at the difference, y'all. Look at the difference. It looks so good and so natural. It doesn't look like too exaggerated or too much. So I'm going to do the same thing on this other side, and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, these are my final results. My hair overall just looked a lot fuller, a lot more just like I actually have like all this hair, and you can't tell unless you like dive into my curls. Like these are the extensions and this is my natural hair, so you guys can see the difference of like how it blends in, and it just does wonders to your hair. It gave me a lot more volume, which is awesome for pictures if you don't even want to go out, because like we can't go out. So for pictures, they're awesome. For different looks that you're trying to do, make sure that you check them out. That's literally how I just apply them. Nothing really has changed. It's just clipping them on, eyeballing where you want them, how much you want to put in there. If you want to put in the whole entire pack in your hair, go ahead, go crazy, have fun. So yeah, guys, make sure you check them out. All the information on Sierra's store will be down below, as well as Curly Heaven's hair website, and you can use the code CurlyNaz for anything in that store. Make sure you use it to save money, and make sure you check them out and check out their products. I honestly love them. Thank you for watching. Always remember to love yourselves, and I'll see you guys on my next one.